Guys, one of the main dish in Guyana that is prepared for Christmas. It's in every Guyanese home, not even Guyanese, but every Caribbean home that knows about pepper pot. Everybody that knows about pepper pot does pepper pot. So today we are going to learn how pepper pot is made. This recipe is made up of ingredients such as cinnamon sticks, fine leaf thyme, garlic, orange peel, rare pepper, sugar, clove, and ginger. Although Cassareep is one of the most important ingredients in the recipe.
Cassareep is actually a preservative, right? It helps preserve the meat.
Oh, wow.
So what you can do, you can pour this on the raw meat and just let it sit. And that actually goes inside and actually cures the meat. And this is why it actually stays longer just on the stove. It can stay for the entire week of Christmas throughout that season. Please, can I have some more Cassareep pepper sauce? Here you go. So this goodness right here is our national dish, and this is what it is. Comes from the cassava juice that is squeezed out and boiled to perfection. So it looks like molasses, but it's not. It's not from sugar, it's from cassava. So that thick, rich, dark sauce makes an incredible dish that we as Guyanese people call pepper pot.
Having gathered all of the ingredients for your pepper pot, it is now time to wash and clean meat to prepare for cooking.
She's actually using flour, and you could use salt too to clean it, and that's how you prep your pepper pot meat.
Every household have a pressure cooker for the beef and cow heel to give it the desired tenderness.
So here you have it. All the ingredients that was on that plate is actually in here right now. So this is the cow heel. We're doing it at stages, right? So we season everything as you go. Have your orange peel in there. Make sure you get your spices in there. You cannot do pepper pot without the pepper. That's why it's called pepper pot, right? So you got your brown sugar there. You got your garlic, your fresh thyme, fresh ginger, and now add that to your pot. So this is cow heel. Right, beef is gonna add later on because the cow heel takes a little bit more time. So we're gonna do the cow heel first, and then we're gonna add the beef. And the same way we season the cow heel, same way you're seasoning your beef.
So today we got to know how to make the famous pepper pot.
There you have it with all the hard work that was put into this. You have your pepper pot, and with the Backyard Cafe, I know pepper pot is served with a flatbread, very famous flatbread. What we do, we go outside of the box, we serve our pepper pot with our coconut bread.
Oh, wow.
So that is coconut bread. You want to taste that first and then taste it with the pepper pot, and then you understand why our coconut bread.
This is coconut bread. This is the first time I'm having coconut bread.
Real coconut, buttery, nutty. Eat. Dip and eat. No knife or fork there here, so. So the hard work paid off.
So there we have it, guys. We were taught how to make the famous Guyanese pepper pot. Perfect.
Proper thing. Proper thing.